Whoa. Whoa. Okay guys, so today will be a tarantula feeding video. I got some crickets and we'll be feeding all my collections. So I think I have 11 of them here. My first feeding video for my tarantula. Okay, come here you. Come here you. Up. Okay, got one. This is the curly hair tarantula. So let's see. Come on. There you go. Oh, so fast. Sorry, didn't get to see it. Okay, next. This is the Balfouri. She's actually a communal species, but I only have one. So let's see. She always hides inside this. You see that? Go. Okay, let me sit from this side. There you go. Got her as a sling, and now she's got that tan colored body and blue legs, actually, if you can see. Let's see if we can coax her out. Maybe. Whoa. 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 She's a feisty one. Very fast. Fast spider. So let's try one more time. So I should take that down. She's got that. Okay, she's out actually. Oh, it's a good time to see her. She's in a strike pose and I don't want to piss her any much longer. That threat pose. Ooh, okay, better close her. So I guess she'll feed when she wants to. Okay, next is the Lasiodora Parahybana, the Brazilian salmon pink bird eater. They don't actually eat birds, and this is actually, I believe, the third largest species of tarantula in the world. So I got her as a sling, and now she's grown to be this big. You can see by the size of that bottle cap. So she's about 4 inches, maybe more. Okay, and she's always a good eater. So let's see. I'm gonna drop it right here. There you go. So they always do this. Sometimes they do this little dance after they take down their prey. It's a tarantula thing. So I'm just gonna leave her one more over here so she can eat it when later. There you go. Oh, she actually took it down again. Okay, she has 2 in the mouth. Enjoy your meal. Okay, next, this is the Brachypelma Vagans. Whoops, did you see that? Instant takedown. Instant takedown. Wow. Look at her. Look at her rump. So she's Brachypelma Vagans has got that. They got black legs and the red hairs on their abdomen. Okay, enjoy your meal. Okay, next is the Brachypelma Hamorii. Okay, take it? No? I'm gonna take it. She's a bit shy. She's a gentle taker. No? Just try again. Okay. Let's leave her. Okay. Next, same spider. Same species of spider, I mean. This is the Brachypelma Hamorii. Used to be called Brachypelma Smithi. So let's see. She take this. Oh. Okay. Nope. Next is the Brachypelma Auratum. There you go. It's been a while since I've seen her, and there you go. She took it. Yep. It's been a while since I've seen her, and she's developed this amazing coloration. Look at that. Next is the Brachypelma Emilia. Oops, see that? She took it. She's a good eater. So this one I raised from slings as per all the three previously. She's developed this coloration on her legs. Look at her. Beautiful. This is another gentle giant. This is a curly head tarantula. It's a bit smaller now. So let's see whether she wants to eat. There you go. Beautiful. Okay. This is another curly head tarantula, which is the T. Albopilosum. So this is the third one. Yeah, I've got 3 of this. So let's see. Here's a little cricket for you. There you go. Okay. Yeah, usually tarantulas, after they take down their prey, they do this little dance. I'm sure I can see. Nope. Okay, this will have to do. This last one is a scary one. It's Nando Chromatus. Yes, he's fast, extremely fast, and he's always flighty. So I'm gonna drop one here. Ooh. Nope, I don't think he's in the mood. But I'm not gonna take it again because he always run. But oh god, they're beautiful. Look at that. Look at her. Okay, she might take it. Let's see. Let's see. You can see her coloration. So Chromatus means skeleton, I think, in the Latin. So they got that leg which look like skeleton, and a beautiful red abdomen. Oh, beautiful. Nope, I don't think she's in the mood. Okay, enjoy your meal. Okay, so that's it. That's all the feeding for this week. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to see more videos like this. See you.